When we go to log a patch of timber, we'll cut the trees down and then we'll bring in bigger machines to pull the logs to the landing. The skyline is the line that's left in the air to help pull the logs in. To get that line out, you have to pull a smaller cable, which still weighs about 80 pounds per 250 feet. So instead of packing 1,000 pounds of cable down a ridge through bluffs with felled timber on it, where you get a lot of rolling logs and stuff like that, we fly this rope back. And the drone can pull 3,000 to 4,000 feet of rope, and it's strong enough to pull the smaller cable, which then pulls the skyline out. And what some people are doing in 2 days, we can do with the drone in 10 minutes. Now, the main goal of this is to prevent injuries, and I feel we've flown enough. Surely we've prevented some.